3 o'clock, 5 past 3, quarter past 3, 3:15, half past 3, 3:30, noon, midnight. Confusing, right? It's so confusing. Well, if you are also confused like her, then this is the video for you. Watch this video till the end, because in this video we are gonna learn some fun and interesting ways of telling time in English. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Soumya and I make videos related to spoken English, advanced English, and sometimes there is also some grammar dose in my videos. So, welcome back to my channel. Let's chat and learn. As I said, today we are going to talk about how to tell time in English. Okay, so before we move ahead in the video, let's discuss some common terms related to a clock and a watch. Right, so now tell me, what is this? And tell me, what is this? Both are clocks, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Can you tell me? Well, this is an analog clock and this is a digital clock. I guess we all know what a digital clock is. A clock that displays the time in numerical digits is a digital clock. But what's an analog clock? I hear you ask. So, a clock in which hours, minutes, and sometimes seconds are indicated by hands on a dial is an analog clock. But wait, I'm not talking about these hands, right? I'm talking about these hands, alright? Yes, the needles, जिसे हम हिंदी में घड़ी की सुइयां भी कहते हैं. Actually में in English we call them hands. So this is hour hand, this is minute hand, and this is second hand. Second hand sounds weird, right? But it is what it is. So let's move ahead in the video. Now we will see how to describe time in English. So here is my clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. In English, when you want to ask time, always say, what time is it? I've heard a lot of people also say, what is the time? I won't say it's wrong, but it's not very common among native speakers. So what time is it is more common and appropriate to say. So what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. And to answer this question, always say it's. Contraction form of it is, it's 3 o'clock. What time is it? Come on, tell me, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Yes, I think you got the idea, right? Until this point, it's all easy. यहाँ तक सब आसान है. But the main problem arises when we want to tell minutes. Yes, यानी कि कितने बजकर कितने मिनट हो रहे हैं और कितने बजने में कितने मिनट बाकी हैं. This is a bit difficult and tricky part, and today we are going to master this. Okay, so let's divide our clock into two parts. When we are on this side of our clock, we will use the word past to tell time, and when we are on this side of our clock, we will use the word to tell time. Clear enough? Okay, so what time is it? It's 5 past 3. Yes, in English we always say minutes first and then the hours. So it's 5 past 3, यानी कि 3:05. What time is it? Now it's your turn. Tell me, what time is it? It's 10 past 3. Those of you who guessed right, congratulations, you rock. So now what time is it? It's 3:15. Yes, 15 minutes is always quarter, right? So it's 3:15. Now what time is it? It's 20 past 3. Now what time is it? It's 3:30. 30 is 3:30, right? So 3:30. Now what time is it? As I said, when we are on this side, we will use to describe time. So what time is it? It is 25 to 4, right? What time is it? It's 20 to 4, right? What time is it? It's quarter to 4. As I said, 15 is always quarter. Now, what time is it? Come on, tell me, what time is it? It is 10 to 4. Yes. What time is it? It is 5 to 4. Now, what time is it? It is 4 o'clock. Finally, it's 4 o'clock. Now, if you want to be very specific, you can say AM and PM along with the time. But most of the time, it is not necessary because it's quite obvious, isn't it? When somebody asks you time in the morning, so obviously it's going to be AM, and when somebody asks you time in the evening, so obviously it's going to be PM, right? So it is quite obvious. But when you want to be very specific and talking about a particular time in the future or in the past, always use AM and PM. In a sentence, the class will be held tomorrow at 10 AM, right? On the other hand, digital clocks are easy peasy. You simply have to just read out the numbers and that's it. For example, it's 3:20, it's 3:30, it's 3:45. Easy, right? But yeah, one thing to remember, when there is a zero like this, always say O. For example, 3:05, right? Alright, guess we are done here, but wait! Don't go anywhere. Here are some quick and important points to remember that will help you in telling time. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the afternoon is also called noon. In a sentence, I ate my lunch at noon. 12 o'clock at night is also called midnight. Yes, in a sentence, we were awake till midnight. Always remember quarter past, quarter to, and half past. They are very important in telling time. If somebody is wearing a wristwatch, never ask what is the time in your watch. That's a wrong sentence. Always ask what is the time by your watch. That's a correct sentence. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and also learned something new today. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have an exercise for you. What you have to do is do the exercise and send me the answers in the comment box below. Thank you so much. Bye.